losing some light, kind of. It's just about 5 o'clock. Sundown is right around 6, so we got a little time. We get a few shots in. I'll tell you, it's weight-wise, it's not much different than the A7S3. It's a little heavier. Where's the sheriff? I wonder, you could probably get a ticket for vlogging, right? Yeah, probably. Vlogging and driving, probably. Now we are shooting in s-cinetone, and that's how it comes straight out the box. That's what it's set to. That's the picture profile it's set to. So this isn't exactly the review here. I wouldn't call this the review. I just got this in today. I did a little quick unboxing. I did it in portrait mode for a YouTube short, so if you want to see the unboxing on this, the packaging is pretty nice. So a lot of people say, you know, why would I get the FX3? I could save some money and just go with the Sony A7S3. And you are right about that. I happen to have a specific reason why I went with the FX3. I was looking for a B cam to my Sony A7S3. And I like the A7C. I really enjoy that camera. But the colors really didn't match well. Even if you got the skin tones in the right ballpark, it's off a little. It's just a little off, and it's a little noticeable, at least to me. And it's something that I notice every time I use both cameras and try to mix the footage together. And it kind of hinders me from shooting in S-Log3 on the A7S3 because you're better off in S-Log2 on Sony 8-bit cameras. So I was kind of, you know, I was happy, but I was having some hiccups. For me, I just kind of wanted something that matched a little bit better. And this is just a gorgeous camera, man. Sony dropped this. I was like, man, why couldn't this have been the A7S3? Whew. This is a beautiful piece of hardware here. So I wanted a B camera. I wanted a secondary camera that matched the A7S3. Now that the A7S3 got s-cinetone, it matches this FX3 very well. So then you might be saying, well, if that's the case, Ant, why didn't you just get 2 Sony A7S3s? You would have got the same results. Yeah. However, I actually had the Sony K3M microphone on pre-order for like a month and a half, 2 months, maybe about 2 months. Something's going on with that microphone. I don't know if they were just using all the pieces to pair up with the FX3 and then ship some more out later, but that mic just did not give me any updates on when it was shipping, and it was taking forever. And I was looking for a B camera to better match the A7S3. That microphone is $600. This FX3 is only a few $100s more expensive than the A7S3, so you're actually getting a deal. I mean, you don't get the actual microphone, but who cares? You can get your own microphone. You got the XLR input. My girl bad, who she bad, who she fine, she's so fine. I'm so glad, that she all mine, she all mine. Speed it up, nah, I gotta take my time. I swear the clouds roll back the way I see my baby shine. Another thing to note that when I do drop my review for this camera, I'm not going to be reviewing it the way everybody else is and saying it's basically a Sony A7S3. Just because something has the same sensor doesn't mean it's bringing the exact same experience to the table. We're still getting a 4K 120p camera. The 120p looks as good as the 24p does. We're getting our flip screen, we're getting our touch screen. We're getting some of the best autofocus that's ever known to man. Active steady shot, you're seeing it right now. Works well enough for me. I don't complain about Sony stabilization anymore. So this gentleman right here behind me and his wife just pulled up and said that there's a lost dog in the parking lot over there. So I'm gonna do my best to find them with the drone. See if I can locate them. Nothing yet. I don't see anything yet. No, I'm not finding them. I'm gonna go drive over there. I shouldn't be doing this. I should just go home. Just take my butt home. We don't need another dog, Anthony. All right, let's take a ride over there, see if we can see this dog. Hopefully we can. Just don't know what I'm gonna do with him. Oh shit! Here he is. Hey buddy. Hi big boy. You okay?